Today, we are diving into a fundamental skill, how to make a slip knot. It's the very first step in a lot of crochet projects, and I'm going to show you three different methods so you can find the one that works best for you. Method 1. This method is great for beginners because it teaches yarn holding and making techniques like the magic ring easier to master. Hold the tail end of the yarn and wrap it around the pinky. Then continue wrapping it around your middle finger and index finger. Now create a loop around your middle finger, pinching and holding it in place. Turn the loop around like this. Then insert your crochet hook through the loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through, tightening the knot by gently pulling both ends. And there you have it, a secure slip knot ready for your project. Method 2. Start by making a loop with your yarn around your finger, crossing one end over the other. Now reach through the loop and pull it through. Tighten the knot by pulling both ends gently. This one is my go-to method. Method 3. For this method, start by holding the tail end of the yarn. Wrap the yarn around your middle and index fingers in a crisscross pattern. Now turn your fingers around. Insert your crochet hook under the first strand, then grab the second strand and pull it through to form the knot. Adjust the tension and your slip knot is ready to go.